Welcome to the Enginerd channel. If you enjoy the content, consider giving a like, subscribing to the channel, and leave a comment with what you would like to see in future videos. Also be sure to check the description for links for further learning on the process shown here. The extrusion process for metal is achieved by forcing raw metal material through a shaped die to create an elongated final shape. The shape of this die defines the profile of the extruded piece. The mechanical properties of aluminium is very well suited for extrusion and is the most common metal material used in this process. A round-formed die, machined from a very tough tool steel, is manufactured, or may already exist in the factory's inventory to suit the required profile for the batch being extruded. Prior to extrusion, the die must be preheated to between 450 to 500 degrees Celsius to reduce wear and aid flow of the extrusion material through the die. A length of aluminium billet is cut from a larger length of aluminium, referred to as a log. These can be between 150 and 300 millimeters in diameter and up to 7 meters long. The billet that is cut is heated to between 400 to 500 degrees Celsius. After the billet has been preheated, it is located on the press between the fixed die and the forcing extrusion ram. The billet usually gets a pre-treatment of a release agent to reduce sticking to the die and reduce friction in the process, which is a huge source of the energy requirement. As the ram exerts pressure, the billet material is driven into the container of the extrusion press. Sometimes liquid or nitrogen gas will be used in the process to prevent oxidation of either the die or the component itself, extending working life and improving part quality. The material increases in size to fill all the walls of the container and eventually squeeze out of the only exit point, the die. The ram must maintain a constant pressure applied to the material at all stages of the extrusion to ensure the profile remains consistent as the volume of the billet reduces in the press. After emerging from the die, the extrusion is grasped by a puller, which guides it along with the runout table at a speed that is in sync with its extrusion rate from the die. As it moves on the runout table, the profile may be cooled by either water jets, submersion in a water bath, or air-cooled with fans. Naturally, some form of bend and twist occurs in the profiles during the extrusion and cooling down of the profile. To address this, they are moved to a machine to stretch the profile lengths. Each profile is held on the two ends and pulled until it is straightened to its required tolerance. With the table length extrusions now straight and completely solidified, they can now be sawed to predetermined lengths. Once they have been cut to length, they will be stacked and loaded into an oven to be aged or matured to the T5 or T6 temper. thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we look forward to see you in the next episode. Don't forget to check out the description for links with more detailed information on the topic discussed. See you guys later.